Hey guys, it's FabFitFun, the Beauty Edit Box. That's right, it showed up, and I have my products in here, and I'm gonna show you how two of them performed, and you might could even tell on my face right now. Yeah, but this is Vicky, my channel's Miss Jackie Russell. I want to welcome you all. I hope you all are doing great. And this is what's inside my box, these 4 little products. And I want to get right into it because we're getting ready to have another storm. Yes, Texas has been having lots of flooding and raining. I will tell you, we're just getting storms and rain. The heavy flooding is in central Texas towards South Texas. And Texas is huge if you don't know. So, I mean, like it takes you 12 hours to go across Texas, and if you used to go up and down, it'd probably take you 18 hours. It may be 18 hours from the Panhandle down to Brownsville. I don't know. I just know it's a lot, and it's a big state. We're in northeast Texas, so we're having rain. We're closer to Dallas, and we also are by Tyler, Texas, to kind of give you, if you look on a map, we're east of Dallas and west of Tyler. But anyway, we're fine. And I want to get this going because you never know. I might lose power or something temporarily. Nothing like that's been going on. I'm kind of healing up from my cryotherapy. Why do they call it cryotherapy? Because you're going to cry? Oh, yeah, man. It's been something else. And I hadn't even got to the next step. But we're going to move on. I do want you to know that we had several things we could choose from. And in the first custom or the first choice, they had some good choices in there. They even had one product that was like $98 value. I forgot what brand it was, but it was a real expensive brand. But I went with another kind of expensive, not as much, the Herborian CC cream. And guys, I have this on my face right now. I had to go somewhere today. So I decided I wanted to show y'all when I filmed this box, because I already had it, got it last night. I wanted to show y'all how it performed. So the CC cream is on my face. I want you to know that it is similar to the color changing foundation that I showed you with Prime Pro Medics. Because when you squeeze this out, I got a medium and it's white. So when you put this on, it's going to change to your color skin tone. And I found that very neat because I didn't know it was going to do that. But it does say color corrector cream. It says it unifies, hydrates, and protects. So maybe does it have SPF in it or zinc oxide in it or something? I'm not sure. It's got the Centella Acacia, and I knew that would be good. I love anything with Centella in it. It does have a sunscreen of 25 SPF, and I put on my SPF. I want to show you this, though. See how it's starting to change? I'm going to go ahead and put more on my nose. It's got a nice scent, and I'm just going to run it down my nose so you can see that it was white on my fingers. And now it's come and it's changed the color and it's matching my skin, which is wonderful. So these new color correction and color changing formulas are just fabulous. And this is worn well all day. So yeah, I did cheat. I did get into my box, but I knew it was in there and I knew I wanted to show this to you all. But I thought I would do better than just show it. And it does call it a Korean skin therapy. So I'm liking this and I will be using it. That is for sure. And it was a $46 value. Now this box through FabFitFun is $29.99 per month. And you get to choose 4 items. For some reason, I had another credit. I had $7 credit. And I got my box for what, $22.99. Again, I just want to say again because so far I have never paid the $29.99 for my subscription. Now I have not had it every single month, but for some reason there always has been a problem or a credit or something, and I have been able to get it at a lower cost. Now you can cancel and resubscribe. Like if you don't like what's happening the next month, you just don't want any of those choices, you can cancel before the 1st, and then you won't have to choose anything, and you can wait and start back up. And you do that in the edit cell. It's where I start up if I happen to cancel it. But whenever it's time to pick my choices, I go to FabFitFun and I hit my orders or my subscriptions. And when you go there, you click on the beauty box, and then it'll open up time to make your choices is what it'll say. So anyways, I got that product. The next item that I got, which I have not opened yet, is the Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Santo Fragrance Oil. And it's Hoolie, I think, perfume. And this is, I think, new to me. I don't think I've had it before. It's a $35 value. We had 2 different scents to pick from. And I don't remember what the other one was. It might have been a more musky scent. But I thought I would like vanilla. And I do. And I think it's got amber in it too. So you just roll it on your pulse points. And it smells really good. It's a nice oil. It smells similar to other ones that I've smelt before, but it's still different. And it's very nice. It's a lovely scent. I was trying to see if it said the notes, what they were. It's vegan and cruelty-free product. I don't know. It's not telling us the notes on there. We know it has vanilla in it, but I'm pretty sure it has amber in it too. But anyways, if I can find that, I'll put it up there. But it's Ellis Brooklyn. It's a nice oil. It's a roll-on ball, and it'd be easy to carry in your purse. $35 value. Now, my next item that I picked, I have on, and it is the LYS, and it is a blush, and I got mine in bubbly soft pink, and I really like it. And it went on real smooth. It blended excellent, and I thought I might need a little more, so I added a little more, and it blended in just great. And I don't really need any right now, but I'll just put a little bit on so you can see it, and then blend that in. But that's what I had on already. And then this is what it looks like. So it's a real pretty color, and it looks like it's going to be way too pink, but it blends out real nice. See? Even on lighter skin, because I'm lighter underneath here. That is a pretty, pretty color. So I like that. And it blended well, and it's worn well all day. So that's another plus. I did use this. These were the 2 products that I pulled out and used when I got ready today, because I knew I was going to record this today, and I wanted y'all to see it in action. Now the last, and that was a $24 value. You had a choice of 2 colors. The other color was more of a peachy brownish color, and I like pink, so I went with pink. The next product I got was a Freck product, and this is a lip. It's called Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick, and it is in, we had 2 choices to pick, and I picked Mousse. So we'll see how that is. I do have a lip liner on. My lip liner that I use is a nude, and it was in Bisha that I got from FabFitFun. And this is the packaging, so very pretty. And it's got the Makeout Club on here. And it's got their logo, the F on there for Freck. And it is a lip balm, is what I'm going to say. And I think it's going to match my lips good. It's kind of got a peachy tone to it. So it's a great color. It filled in good for my lips and matched that nude that I had on. And let's do a little swatch real quick. there's the swatch. So it goes real good with that blush that I picked out. And this was a $24 value. And my overall value was $129. So for $22.99 plus tax, I got my money's worth. I think my whole box cost $24 and something. So that was another great deal, but normally it'd be $29 plus tax. So I got the Freck Makeout Club lip balm, and I don't know, do they call it a lipstick? And that's too tiny for me to read, so I don't know much more about it, but I can tell you it's very smooth, it's rich, it's not sticky, so I really like it. So it's a good product. I really love this CC cream. The blush was good, and the perfume is good. It's had a little time to settle. I've smelt this scent, maybe not this brand, in other perfumes. I just can't place it right off the top of my head. And it's not just like it, but it's similar. And it smells vanilla with earthy, maybe, to me. And maybe it's fruit. I don't know. I wish we had the scents or the notes. But that's what I got, the second thing, and then the lipstick, and then, of course, the LYS, which I like all of this, and it performed beautifully as well. So you let me know, what is your favorite? I don't know why I put these all in the boxes. I'm going to keep them. The CC cream, did you like the CC cream? Did you like the LYS blush, which I did, and it'll match? I have a foundation, and it's a stick as well, so I can do a whole little LYS look with foundation and blush. And then I got the Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Santo, and then the Freck lipstick, which is a go. I like it. I like the color. It went on good, and it's great. So my total box, again, was $129, and I just think I got a great value. You guys let me know what you think. Do you get the FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box? Would you like to get it? And I don't have any specials or discounts for it or any links or whatever as far as being able to buy it, because I think you have to be a member of the FabFitFun, and you either order it through the edit sales. But I've heard different things, so it could be that you don't have to join, like for the regular FabFitFun box, their quarterly box, but you are joining a subscription. If you do join this subscription just for the beauty box, you will have access to the edit sales. I'm almost certain of that, which are fabulous. So keep that in mind. But as for today and my ooh la la FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.